We sort of carved ourselves a niche space where the big players don't play and the small players, it's too big for them. Hi folks, this is Big Mike Zlotnik. Today's conversation is going to be all about why investors choose to work with Temple. We're very well connected in the industry to the best sources of real estate investment opportunities with the top vertically integrated sponsors and operators in the industry. We spend time going to real estate masterminds, network with the top investors and operators, and discover who is the best, and we negotiate best terms with these folks. So we have become a programmatic source of capital for them on many transactions. We are the first folks who get a phone call, often even before they get a property under contract. We have the economy of scale. Quite often, we show the same deal to a number of other close friends who are fund managers, and they look at the deal and they give us feedback, and we do, let's call it collective due diligence. Many experts in the industry take a look at these deals and say, yeah, it's a great deal, or no, this is not the type of deal we want to work on right now. One of the most important things in deal selection is understanding risks. The key is to select, of course, best sponsors, jockey ahead of the horse, then the best deals, and put them through rigorous underwriting, looking at various types of risks. This helps us select best of the best deals, and then we negotiate the best terms for our investors. The reason we can negotiate the best terms is because we focus on what I call institutional quality operators and sponsors, but not institutional size. They have the capital from big check writers. We're sort of carved ourselves a niche space where the big players don't play and the small players, it's too big for them. So that part of the market is our specialty, our strength. That capital typically comes from high net worth individual investors, affluent investors, obviously accredited investors, and that is where we play. We serve the top investors who are not looking for $300-400 million deals. They're looking for deals that they can invest, let's call it from $250,000 to a few $1,000,000. This is where we deliver the most value to you, our investors. We also serve as a programmatic partner. We use third-party everything. We use fund accounting, and all these third parties are industry-leading platforms. We're working with top CPA firms. We're working with top fund administration firms, fund software firms that enable us to deliver a great product and a service to you, our investors. High quality reporting and project updates. This is what we do. We obviously understand the possibilities and risks, and every risk has likelihood and impact. We assess that as part of our analysis. In our deal selection and sponsor selection is to pick and choose actually the operators who could solve those problems when they occur too. So this is a significant value that we add to our investors, is by picking the folks that we work with and also having our own resources and expertise and additional capital if needed to work through challenges when they happen. We are a great ally to our investors that focus on journey of building diversified real estate portfolio, investments that give them tax benefits, that give them ability to enjoy passive income, ability to get tax efficiency, ability to have predictable, steady retirement. And that's part of the investment journey, and we are there to help them achieve that freedom and that success in their journey, whatever the journey is.